Good morning, Brandon.
Good morning, Blair.
Working on the Nomad, as I'm supposed to be. So what did you bring me today?
A 76 Cadillac Eldorado convertible.
Ooh, nice shape.
No,
So, and you're gonna take home?
a 94 Jaguar.
Okay. So we're trading. And it's a really cool idea. Half of the idea is Brandon's. Let's go have a look. So, oh, look at this. What a thing of beauty. And you're saying it runs?
It runs really well. Brand new motor.
All right. So, oh my gosh. This thing is huge. Front wheel drive. Okay. Now the reason that matters is you see that 29 Buick McLaughlin out there? That 29 Buick McLaughlin is stretched back in 1929. Brandon and I were thinking we could take the front wheel drive transmission and motor out of this, a 500 Cadillac, and put it in the Buick. And I think that's a great idea. So, it runs and drives. Has a bit of rust. It's a convertible, which is always cool. Let's see the interior. Okay, so we're going to take it out to the back 40 and unload it. And maybe after I chop the Model A. See, I brought the Model A up. Anyhow, this is cool. 76, you said?
Yeah, 76.
Okay, we're gonna drive it. So we're gonna unload it right here. Hood has no hinges. We have a 2x4. No worries. Okay, well, let's get her unhooked. Is this a tilt deck? No. Oh, you got ramps? Okay.
Yeah, they're in the back. Oh, there's short ones on the back. I'll use the long.
Okay. These are heavy.
Yes. Wow, not as heavy as the hood though.
Was that right? Okay, you gonna try to steer it?
We're just gonna push it off.
Oh, well, we can try to start it if you like. I mean, you have no brakes, so I can pull out the wheel chock. Here we go. Carrier hot latch?
Yep. You'll see what I mean when I say your Firebird is really light. Put it up on the roof. Whoa. Shit.
Hey. Oh, right. Let's see if it starts. It's hot. Give it a shot. Try that. Oh, I see what they did. Okay, let's try that. Nothing? Jeez, just a second. A lot of corrosion there. That's a little better. Now, will it run with the battery out of it?
I'm not sure. It should. Won't charge or anything.
No, but I mean, if it keep running, once it gets going, I can just take it out there. Well, I can leave the booster hooked up too.
Is that plastic? That's just
No,
plastic.
that's metal, but it's painted.
No, this I mean. That's...
Yeah, that's pretty sketchy.
Yeah. This one.
Oh, that's rubber. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens.
Take a minute to start. It hasn't run for a while. Need the key.
Oh, where's the key? Oh, it's a pair of pliers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
Brandon
don't pull on the
always
steering
finds a
wheel.
way.
It comes out too.
Smoke it. I got some gas if you want me to prime it. Yeah, I got a little jerry can sitting over there. Ooh, this should be good.
Sure. Just heats it.
It's a 500, right?
500, yep.
With AC. Wow, that sounds good. Exhaust leak down here, but it sounds good. And it's got a transmission that works, eh?
Yep, just no brakes. Don't
Okay.
try and stop.
No, I'm gonna run her out back. Might have to leave that booster hooked up.
Whoa! Okay.
Wow. Oh my freaking word. All right, no brakes. Oh wait. Hey, power windows. power windows don't work.
Uh-oh.
No, it's all right.
I'll follow you down. Don't pull out on the steering wheel.
Okay, this time we really mean it. And the steering wheel wants to fall off. That's all right. Oh no, don't go there. Okay, here we go. All right, it does drive. All right. Back 40. Throw the hood on. Hope there's nothing in the way. Dad's not in the way. Okay. Oh yeah. This is style. My second Cadillac Eldorado. All right, here we go. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, got quite a crop of weeds here. Oh, this is kind of a cool car. Maybe I should fix it. Oh, look at that, eh? Beaver Dam. All right, no brakes. Oh, I hope there's nothing over here in the grass. Oh, no brakes. Cool. Now I gotta shut it off before the exhaust starts a hayfield on fire. Because we've done that here. Little lifter noise. Oh yeah. Huh. It must be producing power. I guess I'm gonna have to shut it off at the power. There we have it. Pontiac parts. He's gonna take that Jaguar over there. The green one with the sunroof. Nice car. Four bodies. Anyhow, right on. There we have it. Ready to go. The gas is in there since when?
2008.
Well, runs pretty darn good for that.
Yeah.
Far out, man. Oh yeah. Well, that's pretty cool.
Hubcaps are in the trunk.
Oh yeah.
Hood hinges are in the trunk too, but I couldn't put the hood on myself.
Yeah, I guess not. Well, that's freaking awesome. Thank you.
All right, now I gotta find tires for that one.
So Murray, Brandon talked me into a 500 Cadillac front wheel drive. drive to put in that 29 Buick McLaughlin.
That's
It is. So we just drove it back here.
yes, I seen you.
Okay, that was pretty cool. So I got to get this Model A chop done. I'm going to do the chop a little bit every day, and then when I get that thing chopped, I think I'll bring in the Buick McLaughlin. And it's an easy one actually, even though it looks bad. The top half is aluminum, right?
Yeah.
So I only got to make small panels on the bottom. So anyhow, pretty excited.